Good morning, everybody, from the parking lot at Thrifty Foods. Me and Lizzie just woke up not long ago and came into town here in Nanaimo. We're actually right by the one of the ferry terminals here, but I just wanted to stop here. There's a Dollarama, and I just want to get a couple cleaning supplies so that I can clean inside today, give it a good once over. But yeah, and then we'll see where we go from there, I guess. Okay guys, well, we ended up here on this logging road. I actually stayed here once before. It was actually the first place we stayed when we all crossed the ferry onto the island, but as you can see, they've got it gated off, closed for COVID. So anyways, we're gonna take a walk down there and see if that old abandoned trailer is still here. Okay guys, does this place look familiar? Although you can tell somebody's been here because there's no tires left on that truck and there's no walls left on that trailer. Wow. I can't believe that the government hasn't been by to clean this up. I don't know what they think's gonna happen to it. Wow, wow, wow. All right, well, because there's no walls left of it, I don't really have a way of getting up on the roof. I wanted to steal one of those max air vents and maybe the air conditioning cover. I don't know if it'll fit mine, but I wanted to try it.
I'm recommending no.
I think I'm gonna go and buy a ladder and try.
Oh, Brad.
Because it will save me $300. Where's your sense of adventure, Lizzie? Okay, now to get back out to civilization. Do this single lane road for, I don't know, I think about 6 kilometers or so. Try and navigate my way around these potholes. Okay, well, we just stopped here at this park so that I can have a decent view while I clean the house. Okay, well, I just spent some time cleaning up the RV, but before we leave here, I just want to show you guys what a beautiful view I had to look at while I was doing my cleaning. So we've got the ocean, we've got some little airplanes, and some little tugboats out here working at the logging place. I don't know what you call it. Lumber mill. There we go. Little sailboat over there. Beautiful day today. Nice blue skies. Some bigger ships out there. All those houses right there would be, I guess, the town of Ladysmith. And then there's me and Lizzie over there. So, since it's so nice out, what I'm thinking is there's an RV car wash type deal up the road here. So, I think I'm gonna go wash the rig, because she's well overdue. I haven't washed the outside of it in probably, I don't know, a month and a half at least. So she's overdue for a good solid cleaning, that's for sure. All right, here we are, ready to get all nice and clean. Guess we'll wait for this guy to finish up. All right, I moved over to the other bay beside because they've got these fancy steps so that you can get right up on top of the rig. Okay, guys, got a little bit of gloss happening. Finally, she's clean again. And there's Lizzie in front of us. There's a bit of the ocean across the road. But man, am I ever loving this car wash. Being able to walk up there and get up on the roof, that's a game changer. Too bad we didn't fit in that car wash. That one does like some laser show while you're inside of it. Isn't that neat? Okay, guys. We are no longer rolling because, yeah, I don't know what just happened. It started with a squeaking belt and then coolant gushing out all over the place. So now I find myself in sock feet, gushing antifreeze at the side of this road, which I don't even know what road it is. I did send a text message to Lizzie and tried to explain to her where it is that I am so she can come over here. And I don't know. This is what I get for doing a good deed. I literally just went to the gas station and noticed there was a wallet on the floor. So I picked up the wallet and dropped it off over here at the RCMP. And then when I hopped out of the RV, I noticed a little bit of coolant on the ground. And I thought, oh, that's weird. Oh my God. Okay, let's just get back to where I'm parked, which is only about 2.5 blocks away. I only made it about 500 feet or so, and all hell broke loose. All of a sudden, we were redlining in the heat and gushing coolant. So I'm willing to bet the water pump just let go. So I guess we'll be getting towed and hopefully getting repaired. Oh my God, my life. I just had to walk down to the corner because Lizzie can't find me and I didn't know what street I was on. Chemainus isn't that big, but she's on her way now. And I called my mechanic and he thinks, well, he doesn't think, he listed off a bunch of stuff for me to do. I put water in, started it. It looks like it's coming from the upper rad hose. So fingers crossed, everybody, that it might be a cheap and easy fix. I'm getting my exercise today, though. Whew. At least the skies are blue. Poor Nana looks so sad there on the side of the road. Don't worry, girl, we'll get you fixed up. Hear it dripping out the other side now. Oh, Jesus. I'm not happy. Lizzie, I'm not happy. Well, I don't know if you can see way back there. Oh, you can see it kind of right there in the middle of the screen. It appears that, let me see here, it appears that my rad hose just came right off. So, should be an easy fix. All right, and we are moving again. So, I put the rad hose back on. I'm just gonna get off this road because this is not really the type of road you want to be broken down on. Very turny, very steep. So we're gonna go back over to the parking area for RVs in Chemainus and do a little more diagnostic work, let it run for a bit and make sure it's not leaking. All right, well, as you can see, Bob's behind me. We made it back to the parking area here in Chemainus. There's Lizzie. Whew. Thank God it was just something easy, because when you break down in a rig this size, it's not fun. But we're probably gonna hang out here some more down the road. Always RVs here, but it is dedicated RV parking, so if you got it, might as well use it. And I mean, you really can't complain with the view. You can almost see the Rocky Mountains of the mainland off in the distance. It's a nice clear day today. Loving these blue skies. So guys, again, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you want, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. I think I'm only going to stay around here long enough to make something to eat, and then I believe Lizzie and I are moving out from here. But you won't find out where we're going until the next video. So stick around, and bye for now.